Hey everybody, I know this has nothing to do with live steam locomotives, which is my normal topic, but I thought this was an interesting project. I've got this '03 GMC Yukon and the old radio. It only works as a radio now. The CD player doesn't work, and of course it doesn't have Bluetooth. So I removed it, and that is easy enough, and there's plenty of YouTube videos out there that show how to do that. I ordered a new unit from Crutchfield, and it's prepared to install right now. The one tricky thing I thought I'd show right now is the wiring of the microphone. If you have Bluetooth, modern cars you can't see this, but old cars like this, you need to install a microphone so the Bluetooth can connect. So I ran it in here. I ran the wire down the A-pillar here. It's easy enough. You can just pull the trim back, and ran it through here, top of the fuse box, and then down the bottom here, and across over top of the steering column up here, and then around. You can barely see the wire there, and through here, and it's sticking out right now to connect. So that's the one thing to show. The other things, of course, that I did disconnect the battery just for safety. And let me show you something else. I paid extra from Crutchfield for the wiring harness that they prepare, and I'm very glad I did. As soon as I took a look at it, this is what it looks like. So I would not to have wanted to do all of these splices and to figure out where everything goes. This is the side that connects to the automobile. This is the, whoa, dang, hope that's not sensitive. This is the GM box that like the brain unit, I guess, to convert all the controls. And then here's the simple connectors that I need to make. That goes to the back of the radio. This, they tell me, is not used. And let's see, this is the adapter for the antenna cable, of course. So this is a little chime unit. Anyway, that's it so far. I'll do another update once I've got it all completely installed.